What's up guys, this is Joey from Made You Hungry. Today we're making one of my favorite steak dishes, a coffee rubbed ribeye. We're gonna be starting with our prime ribeye. You can tell from its beautiful marbling, this is what gives it that nice buttery taste. We have our spice mixture here. I have ground coffee, chili powder, ground coriander, ginger, salt, pepper, and some dried mustard. This is a 5-star steakhouse meal, very quick and easy, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. Start by preheating our pan over medium-high heat. I'm gonna then take our steak, we're gonna get out of its package, dry it off on some paper towels. Okay, next I'm gonna take our spice mixture. Pan's hot, we're gonna add our oil. Right in with the steak. All right, now that both ends are seared nicely, we're gonna finish off with the sides. Gotta get all those pieces nice and crisp. Now that it's off the burner, we're gonna let it rest about 5 minutes. Some kind of oil. All right, now that our steak is rested for about 5 to 10 minutes, we're gonna give it a cut. Nice smokiness from the coffee. A little hint of chili, that little spice kick in there. Great flavor steak right here. You guys are gonna love this one.